Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Did a little stuff last night. I should have brought the camera out and got some content, but I didn't. That happens. I got to get in the habit of doing that. Just grab the camera, have it ready. Let's just do it. You guys can be as bored as my wife is with me doing all this stuff. So what I did last night, a little bit, worked on that 1010 that I got. Cleaned her up. We're gonna try to run it. I was planning on running it today. Hey man. So hey, say hi Brandon. That's my buddy Brandon. He got here a little quicker than I thought he would. He's gonna help the boy. Look at his little Durango he got. He's one of them Dodge guys. Go figure. But yeah, just a little intro. Gonna do a little chainsaw work and maybe we'll work on some axes. I don't know. The elbows hurt too bad to go do a lot of cutting. So you guys saw enough of that the other day. Check this out. It's good to have a handy wife. I'm going to show you the back. Frame where you can see it. There's a bunch of good people on there. All right, shut you off. We'll get set up and do some stuff. See you in a bit.